S&P 500 and Nasdaq are showing a lot of bearish momentum at the moment. If this critical level 4,200 break on S&P 500, we could see a lot more downside to come. Let me explain to you why. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Our main plan is to show you how to trade the market in the most simplest way. If you like what we talk about, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's get right into the S&P 500. We're looking at the SPY, which is the ETF of S&P 500. Two indicator I use a lot is the advanced decline line, which tracks the underlying 500 stock under rep under the S&P 500, and the accumulation distribution line, which tracks the volume of S&P 500. Okay, so let's get into detail. Pop that in on TradingView. Make sure you have the pro account, which we have. If you'd like to join the pro account, you can use our referral link in the description. Okay, through here you can see both of the accumulation line are dipping, having a downtrend, we call it. This one double top and is now breaking the lows here. This is already having a downtrend. So volume is the downside, underlying stock is showing weakness. Price is already have a downtrend. You can see boom, lower high, lower low. If this break, we could see around this area 380, so 3,800 on S&P 500 could happen, right? Trading wise, I don't think it's a good time to trade because, you know, we could see a bounce or we could see it drop below and then straight below. If it does drop below and stay below this 4,420, then yes, I will look to be a seller sometime. Yeah, it's going to be momentum and then do that. It can drop quite aggressively because when it's dropping, it's harder to catch. We do have a little bounce, but we shall see. If it drop below 420, I will sell the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. In fact, I've already been selling Nasdaq, but in a different way, which I'm going to show you. So you can see multiple level on S&P 500. We need to see this 4,200 area breaks, and then if it breaks, then yes, use 1 hour, you know, lower high. I will use 1 hour actually, and then momentum to sell it to the downside. Okay, so we shall see. Monday, Tuesday is critical. I'm not planning to do much tomorrow, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. Nasdaq, I did sell it, but in a different method. I did sell up around this trend line 15,400 area, but I'm using something called the QQQS. That's the one, London one. Here we go. So I've been buying this, okay, using the method. So I just bought in around this $17 area. I may add on, I'm obviously logging in about £2,000 profit at the moment. I will add more when it breaks and stay above this area here. I will add a little bit more and then let it run to around this 30 area, but it's less leverage. It's 3 times rather than 2. Well, if I get right to 3 times rather than 200 times leverage for that. So sometimes I do use this kind of method on shorting or even investing. All right, but if you don't have the knowledge, is exactly the same. It's just technical base. But if you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because every weekend we will talk about the stock market, forex market, and the cryptocurrency market. You can interact with me by joining my Facebook group, ask me a question, even drop a comment here. I'll do my very best to help you guys. Okay, so I'm bearish on that. You can see back to Nasdaq is very simple. If we can see this level break 14,500 breaks, then yes, I'll look to be a seller back down to this area. So it's not much until here, so could be the recession talk that we've been seeing. I don't know, but it's bearish at the moment. I will look to be a seller, maintain on this plan. Okay, do you guys agree with my plan on stock market? If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next week.